Hey, welcome to another day of lockdown paradise. I hope you're staying in your own bubble and doing a lot of cooking at home. So what we're doing today is basically featuring my mother's dumplings I grew up making with my mum in Hong Kong. It's a Cantonese chicken and fresh coriander dumplings. It's the chickens, actually we source them from Hawke's Bay, and it's free range and organic as well. It's basically the best chicken you can find in this country. Absolutely blessed to have the brothers making them for us. And it's and paired with the noodles, which as we used to serve them in our takeaway shops before it got shut down. So basically it's a green tea soba noodles. So soba noodles basically is made with buckwheat flour. The green tea flavor is coming through at the end beautifully. And what we're going to do is pair with whatever greens you can find at home. I always put mushrooms in there because I love that stuff. We are using this bok choy, which is my pride and joy. My first bok choy I've grown. It took me about a month or so. So we're going to cut that open, and it's going to be, hopefully it's going to taste nice and juicy. And make sure that the sauce is a key of the noodle salad basically, is the mum sauce, my mother's recipes, and the sesame oil. So the key about sesame oil is quite often, you can the sesame oil that you find the market, it's basically, it's mixed with vegetables oil. So make sure when you buy sesame oil at supermarkets, make sure you read the label down the back. It says 100% sesame oil. Anyways, let's start cracking.